and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shemaine, and for today's video I thought I would comb through the internet and sort of take a look at what is currently new right now. I kind of went into this rut where I just didn't want to look at new launches at all. I think it has been months since I browsed I can never say the name. Since I browsed Trend Mood 1's Instagram or like looked at beauty Instagram in general, and also I haven't really shopped on Sephora for like a full month or maybe more. So today's video is gonna be a little bit more chatty. It's kind of like a Will I Buy It video. If you're familiar with my Will I Buy It series, it's sort of like this where I just go through new launches and we'll just take a look at them together and chat about them. But at least for today's video, I'm not gonna like think about whether I want to buy anything. I just really want to see what's there on the market right now. One thing before I begin, today's look right here is very inspired by Taeyeon's recent makeup look in general. She had this whole look on where she was performing Happy in like some underwater place. I didn't do the hair part of the tutorial, but I did do the makeup. So if you're interested in seeing how I created that, I just filmed it and it will definitely be on Instagram by the time this video goes up, so I'll link it down below. With that, let's just get started. Okay, so I think I'm just going to go to Trend Mood 1's Instagram for now. First thing I see on the site is this palette from Urban Decay. It's called the Stoned Vibes palette. This one reminds me of like a recreation of the Moonstone palette from Urban Decay like a couple of years ago. This thing comes with 12 shades with different finishes. Based off my first impression look at this photo, I was like, ooh, it's so interesting and it's so pretty, because I really like Urban Decay like products in general. Even though they have kind of produced a couple of misses, especially when they try to rework like older palettes like that Wired palette. There was like a dupe for the Electric palette. I had a whole video like just bitching about that, so like if you want to check that video out, I'll link it up on the screen and down below. This one looks like another reworked version of the other palette. I don't know why they keep doing that. Why does Urban Decay always have to recreate their palettes? I have the same thoughts or like frustrations with the... No, actually it's not the same frustrations, but I do have frustrations with that purple naked palette that they recently launched, because I feel like the meaning of a naked palette has totally gone off the rails right now. I mean, with their first 3, maybe 4 palettes, you can still pass it off as like a neutral naked, like no makeup sort of look kind of thing. Like that was the original idea, I assume, of like naming something naked. But you know, when it comes to a purple eyeshadow, what's it called again? Ultraviolet. It does look like a very nice palette actually. I'm just not really on board with the whole like keeping with the naked brand idea anymore, because it doesn't make sense anymore. But they can do whatever they want to do, because like it's earning their money and everyone's excited. Like literally everyone that saw this palette sent it to me because they felt so excited about this palette, because it's like purple and it's pretty, and I get it. I thought it was pretty as well, but it was quite frustrating to see like the name being used over and over and over and over, even though it doesn't make sense anymore. But okay, that's I should stop. I don't even really want to comment on like name choices anymore. Like it went from like sex-based names to like hot-based names. I don't understand why they have to do this. Like a lot of brands do this. Okay, next up. Let me see what's interesting. Oh, you know what I want to talk about? Let's just skip to that right now. Straight to Kylie Jenner's page. Sorry, Kylie Cosmetics page. What I want to talk about is the Kendall Kylie collection, the Kendall and Kylie collaboration collection. That eyeshadow palette caught my attention right from the start, and it still is screaming my name. Like I really like what I'm seeing with this like whole packaging thing and the whole like color palette in this eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette just looks so up my alley, like with the neutrals and the mustards and the greens and like the pop of purple. It just like balances everything out. It's like everything I want in a palette. And apparently that's not the only thing that they're launching. It's like a whole collection with there's 2 glosses, 1 lip kit, blush, bronzer and highlight sticks, a perfecting balm. Quite a number of things in this collection, and the packaging looks so nice. Even the box, like wow, the photography with the 2 sisters, very nice. I really like it. This whole collection and the design of this entire thing is really up my alley, and it makes me so happy just to look at it. Ooh, ColourPop is coming out with a new foundation to add on to their Pretty Fresh line. Where did I give it to my sister. I've tried the concealer and my sister has the tinted moisturizer in that line. I really like the concealer, but I kind of just gave it to my sister because like she wanted to try it, so I just like gave it to her. I really like the Pretty Fresh line. Says me as I only tried the concealer, but if the concealer is any indication that it is good, this foundation looks quite enticing actually. Light's Lacquer, so Kathleen Light's new nail polish brand, is coming out with like this whole fruity collection. It looks really fun. Oh, it comes with nail stickers too. That's so cute. Nail art stickers. Oh my god, that's so cute. So there's gonna be a red, an orange, and a yellow, a green, a blue, and a purple. I'm especially drawn to the yellow, the green, and the red. Man, I want to try this. Oh, this one caught my attention too. I feel like a very basic person because like that's all I want to see. They're all so basic, but I guess like I'm just old, probably. Alright, so what I was talking about was from Patrick Ta. I don't even think we can get a Patrick Ta here, but it's just very nice to look at it because it's really pretty and it reminds me of like the Tom Ford Charlotte Tilbury kind of packaging. It's called the Major Headlines collection, which includes matte lipsticks, lip crayons, and cream and powder blush duo. So there's like a rose colored shade, a bronzier browner color shade, a plummier shade, and also like a more orangey shade. If I have the money and I have access, like something that I would want to explore. Oh wait, what's this? BRIOGEO is coming up with a new hair product. Okay, this is interesting. This is exciting. The picture didn't really catch my attention, but then noticing that it's like a BRIOGEO thing, my attention is now peaked. It is part of the Be Gentle, Be Kind line, and it's the Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfoods Hair Mask. I've used the matcha and green apple shampoo and conditioner duo, the green one from this line. I really liked it. My hair has never felt softer, my scalp has never been more healthy. Right now I'm back onto like cheaper drugstore shampoos from herbal essences, and my scalp has been itching. And it's been dry and my hair is not having it. This is a Taiwanese brand. I've never heard of it, but it got onto Trend Mood once. It's like a Disney collaboration with this brand called Fresh O2. They collaborated with Donald Duck, but I'm not sure if we can get it here. I'm always down to trying more like Asian brands, Asian made brands, because I got a feeling like those things really work a lot better for us. There seems to be like lip balms and a face palette, like a bronzer palette, and also some lip. It's called Velvet Lip Glaze, so I think it's like a liquid lipstick sort of thing. It's really just a packaging thing. I don't know about like quality or anything. Oh, there's like a mirror and also like a little bag thing. They're just cute. It's just a cute thing that I wanted to bring to your attention. So Fenty Beauty came out with like some sheer lipsticks. What are they called? They are called Slip Shine. They got 10 colors infused with pomegranate to keep those lips juicy all day. That's what they say. I love sheer lipsticks. I'm watching this like swatch video from this person called Victoria Lin right now. It's on Fenty's Instagram page. So yeah. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty as well. So there's like a lot of different colors. Like there's nude colors, pink colors, and some crazier colors, I think. Oh, they're all like quite wearable colors. Mainly wearable colors, but some less wearable colors. Even the clear one looks so good. Oh, Charlotte Lam made it onto Fenty Beauty's website. I mean like a page, I can't speak. Charlotte Lam is like a Singaporean influencer. She's really pretty. I've seen her in real life once or twice. She's really small as well. She's so cute. I really want to try this. The more I try from Fenty, the more I want more Fenty things. If you want to stay relevant with like what's new and what's what in like the beauty industry, like what's the new release and what's the most interesting thing, you can consider following Trend Mood One's Instagram, because that's where I get most of my information. Obviously I get them from like the main brand's page as well, but this is like a good place to go to if you want to just find out beauty news and stuff. At least for the most popular brands on the internet, this page does a really good job. But when it comes to like indie brands and stuff, then you might have to go and be a little bit more diligent with going to their individual sites to check out if they have anything new. Also, if it's like Asian brands or like brands that are not from America, those you might have to go and look for yourself. Let's go on to Sephora to see what's going on. Sephora Singapore, by the way. Tarte has some new stuff. Tarte C Hydro Sealer Concealer. They have the weirdest names for their concealers, but this one has really nice packaging. It's like, I don't know what the packaging is like, but it's really just really nice looking. sucker for packaging. It's a light to medium coverage, natural finish concealer made to move with your skin to cover imperfections and hydrate for 12 hours. If I'm being real, almost all concealers have like this kind of claims and descriptions now, so it's really quite boring if you read into it. I think it just comes down to like what packaging you want and which brands you want to support, what's your budget range, I guess. Oh, it's the Tarte C collection. I'm sorry, I can't. So Benefit Cosmetics came out with their own version of the shiny lipstick product, and it's called the California Kissin' Color Balm Lip Balm. Oh, it's a lip balm. But it's very, it's supposed to be like super pigmented color-wise. It has the very traditional, or like signature, I should say, like a signature packaging. It's cute and it's Benefit, so I assume and I expect a certain level of quality to their products, I guess. I'm scrolling and scrolling and I don't see anything that's very interesting right now. I feel like Sephora SG has been really missing the mark recently because I feel like there's nothing interesting on Sephora SG at all the time. Like, I don't know what's going on, but there's no like new launches. I don't know if it's like a COVID thing or it's just like a we're not doing well sort of thing. What are you doing, Sephora SG? With that said, we are at the end of our video today. I'm still feeling a little frustrated with Sephora SG. They're not really doing very well in the new arrivals part of their whole store. I don't know what's up with that, but I do hope that they come out with more stuff as the COVID situation calms down more and more, because obviously we just came out of our COVID lockdown thing in Singapore here, so maybe they have been like severely impacted by this whole like new regulation thing, so I'm not sure. I'm just gonna like see how it goes. But anyways, we're at the end of today's video. How did you find today's video? I hope you found this sort of informative, sort of entertaining. I hope this filled up your time with someone to chat with or like to just listen to someone ramble on about beauty and stuff. I haven't done a video this chit-chatty in a while now, so I kind of enjoyed myself. Still finding it really very difficult to like get my game back on the beauty side of things, because you know, COVID and stuff. I'm still feeling so much in a funk almost every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel down below. And if you do not know that I have an Instagram account, I do, and my handle is @CherminCCW. I do a lot of makeup content there as well. And just as a reminder, like I said in the front of this video, this look will be on my Instagram right now, so go ahead and click the link down below to go check out how I got this look that is like inspired by the gorgeous Taeyeon. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video, and I will see you in my next one.